Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Friday, June 25th, 2010. At E-mini Day Trader, we always like to start our analysis with the use of the market profile. So this is today's lettered market profile and its corresponding volume profile. The two over here from yesterday, and this is what occurred overnight. So we were looking at around 65 as potential support. The major support is still up, or not major, but up here around 82. Um, but we were also looking at, when we went into today, that around that 75 area could hold. And as you can see in the overnight trade, it got up to 75.75, just 3 ticks above it, opened in here, and then sold off. And then it had the turnaround in the, I guess, the second 2/3 of the day, and then basically was bought up in that period of time. So we're still looking around the 82 area or so as a pretty good resistance for now, with around about 65 as the support. If it does get below 65, our next target down isn't until around 48, so it could have pretty good room to move. Our next area up here, if the market should rally above 82, would bring it up to about 92, and that would be the next area of resistance that we're looking at. So we believe we're still in a down auction, although today could be a temporary turn in that, and we could head higher for a day or two. In other words, Monday and Tuesday, perhaps. It all depends how the market reacts come Sunday evening and Monday, whether or not it can find some more legs that it did today, take out today's high and then get up there to about the 82 or so area. If it can do that overnight and hold above 82, then we're looking at 92. But if that 82 continues to hold overnight on Sunday, it may get tested early on Monday, and then that would be a crucial time as far as determining whether or not the market's got some more lift in it here from today or not. We also like to use the regular trading hours only market profiles in our analysis. We find that they are also helpful. Here is our software here, and for those of you that haven't seen it before, the market does in real time display these signals for, in this case, these are all long trades because they're all up arrows. We did have a short trade early here as well. This trade here was very late. It was not taken, just too late in the day. So we ended up with 4 trades today. Our first trade here, unfortunately, we were stopped out. That was a short trade. But we were able to get onto some really nice long trades. We did not fill on this long trade because our filter was not green. But you can see here that this trade, it was triggered, or it triggered then but filled here, so that was good. It was in the green filter. This one was triggered in the green, and our third trade of the day was also triggered in the green filter as a long trade, which is obviously what we want to see when we're looking to get long. So this trade nice, this trade very nice, and this trade also very nice. As a matter of fact, after we were stopped out on this first trade of the day here, so we took a 1.5 loss in the first trade, but then we had the second trade here, and the third trade, and then the fourth trade. So on the second trade, the market did move in our direction 4.5 points. The second trade 3 3/4 points, and the last trade here it actually was 7 points in our favor. So easily reaching our first 2 objectives on all of those trades with some nice profits on top of them. So you can see how straightforward these trades are as far as being able to identify them in real time, and then knowing the exact price, where to get the trade, what exact type of order to put in, and exactly what price at exactly what time. So we're trying to follow that as close as we possibly can. So those are our trades for today, and a bit of an outlook as far as an expectation for tomorrow, or tomorrow being Monday, of course. So possible support in around 68, and then down at 65, and then 62, then all the way down to 48 And on the upside, we're looking at really today's high, which is around 79, and then up to 82 and then 92. So some numbers to work with on the up and the down going into early next week. So that'll be it for a look at the markets. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again on Monday.